Okay, so there's a general lesson I'm wanting you to learn for these sorts of problems and how to think about them. Now, we've learned that a valid argument can have all false premises. A valid argument could have all false premises and a false conclusion. A valid argument can allow for a lot of things. Okay, so how do we approach this? And I'm just going to give you a little cheat sheet, I guess. For so Just here's how it's going to go. Okay. Um, in terms of like a valid argument can have false premises, a valid argument can have a true conclusion. Like how does that work? Here's going to be a rule to think about. Okay, which is this rule: the only combination ruled out for validity is all true premises and a false conclusion. Okay, that's the only combination ruled out. So if you were to see a true-false question that said something like, a valid argument can have all true premises and a true conclusion, true. A valid argument can have all false premises and a true conclusion, true. A valid argument can have all false premises and a false conclusion, true. All of that's fine. How about a valid argument can have all true premises? True. The only one that's ruled out is, the only combination ruled out for validity is all true premises and a false conclusion. Because, again, that's our definition of validity. It's impossible for the premises to be true and the conclusion to be false. That's validity. All other combinations are possible. Okay? So I'm giving you that little cheat sheet for how to work on these problems, okay, for how to think about them. But to really understand, you want to think about these examples, and you could actually make them up to prove this rule. But yeah, that's going to be a way to help you guys think about this. Okay, so that's all for validity. Go through all the other homework problems. Make sure you understand them, and we'll be talking about them in Zoom.